world would be more creative and it would be a better place. We would have better ecosystems and our environment would be healthier. We would have a more modern world and our technology would be more advanced.
Using the valuable lessons of FIRST, the world could use these lessons to work as a team in order to focus on problems together instead of accomplishing less separately.
This would improve the world as it would educate people on robotics.
We would live in a much more engineering-focused society. The generation would be focused in STEM.
The world would be pushed forward at a faster rate as more robotics-oriented jobs would be created. Also, morals such as gracious professionalism and teamwork would be widespread.
I think we would have an advanced world, and kids would know how to do things like fix house appliances with STEM, and we would have an advanced society.
The world would be more advanced and we would be smarter. Robots would be able to do everything for us.
I think we would have a better understanding of the engineering world, and it will help us in our future careers.
I think everyone would have a better future and a better education overall.